With so many new laptops coming out today, some of the older models are starting to become obsolete. Can the same be said for the 2017 MacBook Air? Let's talk about it. What's going on, everyone? This is Walt from TechTheory, back today with another tech review video. Now today we're going to be talking about the 13-inch MacBook Air. Now if you like tech review videos like this or tech build videos as well, make sure to subscribe to the channel and you can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know, are you a Mac or a PC person and why is that? Now let's get into it. Now the MacBook Air is Apple's cheaper line of portable devices. This isn't to say though that they skimped on any of the hardware inside of it. This laptop portable still has an Intel Core i5 processor with integrated Intel graphics, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB PCIe SSD. Now this SSD really helps with the portability, as you can open up the laptop, load it up really fast, and even load up your programs and files super quickly, which is great. Now the performance on this thing, I ran the Geekbench benchmarking software, and I got a 3491 on the single core and a 6496 on the multi-core. So as you can see, these are pretty reasonable scores for the specs of this laptop. Another great thing about the MacBook Air from 2017 is the beautiful display. Now while being a smaller display at 13.3 inches, it does have a 1440 by 900 pixel display, which is beautiful. The colors on it are amazing, which really help with what I like to do on the MacBook, which is photo edit. Now along with this screen, it also has a really respectable battery life, about 2 days of average use. If you charge it fully and you're browsing the internet, maybe typing up some text documents or using Photoshop not too heavily, then you get about 2 days worth of work out of it, which is really nice and a lot better than some of the other laptops that I've reviewed on this channel. Now like I said before, this laptop primarily for me is used with Photoshop. If you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, the photos that you see on there are primarily edited on the MacBook Air from 2017. And it's just a wonderful computer to edit on. You can carry it anywhere. It's really light and portable. It weighs about 3 pounds and it's about 13 by 9 inches, so it's a really small laptop, which makes it super easy to carry on to campus with me and edit photos. This is also great for if you're a business person, you're always on the go, you need something light but powerful to type Word documents, maybe you do some photo editing or some light workloads. This is definitely a great laptop for that kind of niche of people. Now the one downside to the MacBook Air is it is still anywhere from $900 to $1,000. Even with the new MacBook Air coming out and everything like that, it's still got that pretty pricey point that it's at. Now you can buy a refurbished one for about anywhere from $400 to $600. It is going to be refurbished, and I've seen the Apple refurbished at that price point, so that's pretty decent. But considering you can get a brand new Windows laptop for that same price with the same specs around about, it kind of makes you uneasy buying it. Unless you're a die-hard Mac person, this might not be the laptop for you. The last thing to note about this laptop is the beautiful chassis. Now, like with all Apple products, when you pay that price point, you may not get the best internals, but you definitely get some of the cleanest externals. The MacBook Air is all aluminum body with minimal flex, and when you hold it, you feel that $1,000 that you just spent, or if you end up buying refurbished, you feel that $400 to $600. It just feels like a very premium experience, and if you're going Apple, that's kind of what you're wanting. You're expecting that premium experience, like we've seen from products such as the iPhone X, with that beautiful glass back, the beautiful, I think it's either aluminum or steel siding. It's a very premium experience, and I truly love that about the MacBook Air. So all in all, the MacBook Air is a wonderful portable that you can buy from Apple. Now it is a bit pricey, but if you are a die-hard Apple fan and you're part of that Apple ecosystem with the iPhone and the AirPods, things like that, then this is probably the laptop for you, especially if you're looking for a budget edition of the Apple products. The MacBook Pro and the normal MacBook are going to be a lot more pricey, so this is definitely a good budget option if you are die-hard with Mac. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now if you want to keep up with our new videos that are coming out, you can hit that little bell beside the subscribe button to get a notification when we post a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and there you can see new videos that we're about to come out with, just some projects we're working on and things like that. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know if you are a Mac or a PC person and why. So thank you for watching and have a good one.